In the embrace of dawn's gentle glow, we embark on a path yet to be known. Seeking answers ahead, stories yet untold, our journey unfolds toward a future to behold. In the depths of secluded mountains, where apples blush the landscape and oranges blanket the fields in golden hues, mountains, once shrouded in information obscurity, are now bridges to the world. Thanks to technology's seamless connection, sweetness arrives instantly. The farmers revel in the joy of a bountiful harvest amidst productive fields, with connectivity bringing forth the celebration of abundance. Across the boundless ocean, where mysteries of storms unfold, abrupt disasters plunge life into a tale foretold. Modern communication serves as a lighthouse in the night, illuminating the path home. In every perilous plight, it connects the lifeline of information as a comforting embrace, warming every home in the vastness of space. In the monotony of daily factory line hum, echoing with noise, dust, and the heat's relentless drum, weariness settles in, deep and numb. As intelligent tools seamlessly integrate, human and machine dance in a collaborative state. Hands are freed, and the factory's narrative takes a bold new stride, with a story rewritten in intelligence as its guide. Cities rise and thrive in perpetual growth, multiplying, pulsating, with the vitality of both. With growth, public issues amass, challenges respond to the increasing urban mass. Digital O&M plays a pivotal role, infusing intelligence into the city's operational soul. As the story of human civilization takes a new form, a narrative reborn with digital O&M as its norm. In the boundless realm of digital intelligence might, it traverses villages, cities, and cosmic height and the deep ocean, venturing into realms your imagination can perceive beyond the known, where dreams and realities weave. Paths may stretch far, winding and curled. With the right guide, a new world unfurls. To a luminous horizon, wide and bright, we navigate with digital intelligence light.